and welcome back to Starbound. Last off, we ended off with that grocery spawn animation. Now I'm gonna go back to single player with Razor Leaf. Okay, now my voice should be louder. Okay, casual mode. Everything is casual. I don't want to go hardcore, you know. Man, the lag. Please mind the lag. Wait, no, that's terrible. Please don't mind the lag. Okay. Sorry about that. I think I just barfed. Okay, I think now we have some bandages. Perfect. Let's see. Okay. Gonna go back down there. Yes. Gonna get myself a furnace. Because I need a furnace, okay? And it's raining. Great. Why? Why do you have to rain? I hate rain. Ah. Well, it's just gonna have to be that way. The world hates me. Okay, just that. Yep. Here we go. Go check. Done. Okay, now wait. It should say fortress into the earth. Ah, that was terribly unplanned. 30% of pixels lost. Okay. This is gonna be harder than I thought. I'm gonna find a cave, get us some stones, make a furnace, go back here, then we have to mine some core parts. I have already marked some things here, but I don't know anymore. Just do with the not digging stuff. No, get away from me, get away from me, get away from me, get away from me. No, they're ganging up on me, they're ganging up on me. They're ganging up on me. Oi. Ole! You cannot catch me! Good thing I have to spend bridges. Man, underground is very unsafe. Okay, let's just go back and find some more stone. Sorry. Okay, looks like we got 2 pixels. That's good, but not great. Some stuff. The axe, cheap meter, speed 1.10, 90% proficiency, 10% security. Okay. This is better. Bent hammer, bent brick, curved sticker. Ooh, sticker. No, I think I'll just stick with broken bean. Oh, it's broken. That's why. Beans. Okay, now that I'm here, push down here. Now, let's find ourselves some cobblestone. This is what I need. Give me that cobblestone. Goodness. There we go. I like it when everything goes well in the game. I like it when everything goes well in the game. Yeah, I like it. Sound. Okay, 6 would be enough. Except, gonna mine some stuff below us. Gonna mine some coal. Here we go. Mining some coal. Learn to craft gunpowder. Cool. Nothing here. I think I'm done. Can I even get out of here? Whoa! Just use this and then able to climb safely out of here. There we go. Yes, perfect. Okay, beam up. Furnace first. Cause I desperately need that. Yeah, I gotta make a furnace. I just realized my guy looks like this. Okay. Goes black, blah blah blah. Blah blah. What? The furnace. Is it no furnace? Make a campfire. Ugh. Wooden cooking table. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and it's nice stuff. Don't want to waste my time in this orbit. I'm just gonna go here. Oh, the sounds for my damn looks like monster, eat your soul. There we go. Here. Yo! Bandage. Try these guys. They're not. Okay, no, this is so okay, here we go. Getting to the juicy parts. YOLO. Okay. Ah, maybe I should craft some armor first. What's that sound like? Snake. I want to go in here. And look at my little adorable snake. Ah, so cute. I will get you out of there. Upgrade of fine copper. Can't even get a furnace. Need there we go. Stone furnace, cobblestone, and a campfire. Need some unrefined wood. Unrefined wood. I never thought I'd need it. Make some defense first, okay? Sorry, Sorry guys. I shouldn't have sneezed. I don't know, there's just dust in my nose. Lag. Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? I am the best in town. You can catch me even if you wanted to. I told you. I told you. Oh! Oh, tons of unrefined wood so I can beam up into space! To space! Sapling 2, unrefined wood 12. Well, that should be enough to make a campfire. Right? There we go. And then we should be able to craft stone furnace. Oh yeah. This is what I need, this is what I want. Oh, I can stack them. Cool. What do I need? Old vegetables. I need how many refined ore? And power. 10 bars of refined copper. 10 bars of refined copper. I shouldn't be worried that I die because I can respawn and pixels don't really matter. You can just kill stuff to gain it. Let's go into the unknown and do some running. Yeah, sounds perfect. Going to somewhere I don't even know. Just like early on Monday. Hey, you're not well, is it? Okay, I got you. Please for me. What? Okay. Climbing room. Perfect. Stores. Ah, you can't get here. I think there's iron here. The irony of iron is irony of iron. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. To the big cave. Oh my breath! I'm gonna hold my breath there. I want to go. There we go. Ah, much more. Okay, now I don't know where we are. Okay. This, boom, boom. And this, nothing interesting except a bunch of iron. Should get the iron because who wouldn't want iron? Iron is just substance. Rare in outer space, iron might be rare. Who knows? Our planet is rich with iron, but where did iron come from? Nobody knows. Also, if you haven't known, my character is basically a meat of human eating plant. Basically Venus flytrap plant. Bigger, stronger, scarier. Wouldn't want to mess with us. There we go. Down. Then down here. Okay. Then down here. Keep going down. And then down here. whoa. Okay. Lag! Stop! Please, there we go. This creature ever, don't attack me. I'm just... how am I supposed to lift that? I actually don't know. I think I may be stuck in this bed for a little while. Yeah, I think so. I think I have to do it the old-fashioned way. The quick 1, 2. And I need an anvil. I need 8 iron bars. Let's see how many iron can I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need more iron. The irony! Why is there so much iron here? No, I'm not gonna complain, but that is just good. Shooting stars! Oh, yay! They're shooting star. Wait, shooting stars in space should be common, right? Right? Go. Get. No iron here. But just hurry up. Okay, go back down here. Find some iron. And we'll make some armor. And then maybe I could, do stuff. I'm gonna stop the video once I get the iron anvil, I think. I don't know how long it is. But judging from the time, I bet it's pretty long. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Get my head poking out of water. Coal? Oh, it's coal, not iron. Ain't iron, not coal. If I get iron, I'll be super duper happy, and I won't complain to you anymore. How does that sound like? No? Whatever. Okay, got. Why do they keep looking like iron? I think they're camouflaging. They're adapting to their environment. They know I'm coming, and now they're like iron. So I mind them. Yeah. They're evil. They're evil substances. Evil ores. Evil. Not copper. Okay. I don't know where the iron are. Where is the iron? Aeroplan, dig deep into the ground and suck all the water out of it. No? And why are you cutting down your own brother? And why are you only made out of leaves? No. Whoa! Whoa! Everything is hostile here. There's some coal. What? Did you get hit by shooting star? What? I don't know what this is. Hey. You want me? You want me? Charge. It wasn't a challenge at all. You know what? I'm gonna walk around and I'll find a cave. I'll find a cave. I'm gonna go in the cave and I'm gonna see if there's iron in it. Let's just see. This is gonna be harder than I thought, is it? I'm gonna make these holes. Just why? What's up? Dodge it like a boss. Dodge it like a boss. And after the shooting stars, we have the rain. What? On a glitch. And I won't hesitate to do it again. Okay. This cave is decent. Don't have a ton of coal. I'm sure I will find an empty chest. And I am sure jackpot. This is a dream come true. A heaven for all kinds of miners. No iron here? Where did they get all their iron then? Tell me, where is the iron? I thought this place had loads of iron. Apparently the place lied to me. They have no iron at all. They're just coal blocks. Coal things. Disguising as iron. Come on. Give me some iron. Just one. Oh wait, no. Give me iron. Ore. Iron ore. Give me iron ore. Okay. And I will be on my merry way. No? You're mean. If you don't give me, then you're mean. Just say. Coffee in the bottle. Where did they get the iron? All of the iron. Like literally all of the iron they find. Maybe they mine all the iron. Maybe that's why there's big caves in the ground. They probably mined it all. Stupid miners. Don't you mind? Oh, there's a guardian. Guarding something. What's up? I defeated the guardian. Give me. He was lying. There was no garden. Wait, no, he probably took the thing. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Whoa, my health is so low. What happened? I need my MM power. Where is the iron? Is all the is all the iron gone? Is it? Stop trying to kill yourself. Okay, going out here. Nothing. Why is there not? Ooh. My something. Like something. I think this is heaven. I think they lied to me. You know what? When will the iron be the coming? Okay, when will the iron be the coming? If the iron is not coming, then I will not be the coming. The comma. Okay. appears to be nothing here. Wait, is this video actually laggy? If the video is laggy, then meh. The computer can't handle it. Plant fiber or Lefebvre. Plant fiber or Lefebvre. This is a discarded beetle. Might be death. Let's head deep into the depths. Watching. I don't think there's something in here. I might as well mine onwards. Dungeon with there. Bye world. I will not miss you. You were cruel to me. Cruelty will not be tolerated. Tolerate. Tolerated. Tolerate. Rate us. Rate up. Rate. Is this an area or have I bit? Another area. Is this mud? Maybe it's oh! There we go. Okay, there seems to be nothing here worth of interest. Yes, iron! Yes, I finally found iron. Tears of joy. Okay, now I have 6 iron. I need 2 more iron. Anybody know where to find 2 more iron? 2 more. Do you have 2 more? Learn to craft new stuffs. Found copper. Found loads of copper. Okay, we might be able to upgrade. I think. I don't know. Got 20 that blue. 15. 16, 19. 20. And there's still more. And there's still more for the taking. This is the best cave I have ever found. The Good Luck Cave. The Good Luck Cave. Let's keep heading down and see what we can find. Coal detected. Nothing else present. Ah! I need more iron for the iron anvil. We have struck silver and iron. This is the best cave I've ever come across in my whole entire life. Please be more stuff. Okay, is that empty now? I'm gonna keep heading down and see what I can find. For security method. Okay. Where am I? Where did you take me? Where did you take me? You're taking me somewhere magical. Apparently I need more health. Let's see this respawn animation again. Wow. Really? Really? I'm gonna say wow. Oh, my ear. Something's wrong with my ear. Got 8. Got 12 copper. 2 silver. Now we will use our iron to make ourselves an iron anvil. And with this iron anvil, which I will put down right here, I will be able to craft things like a copper pickaxe or a hoe, or we can make armor, Sprout's anklet, Sprout's circlet, curvy slicer, curvy slice, one-handed, and a slicer, short sword, one-handed, Sprout's chest guard, or we can have the big slicer. Bang, 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 broadsword. Or we'll have the silver pickaxe. Or go get a knife. Hunting knife doesn't do anything. So, 10, 4, 6. Okay, let's just upgrade our thingy. I think we can do that. Go upgrade material metro. No, face stack, but issue command. Liquid collection. Okay. Oh, you got that master manipulator done. You know what? I'm gonna end off the video here. A lot of things today. We started our own empire. We found a cave. What's the best thing I can ever do? Dig straight down until you find a big cave to explore. And what next time we make more torches and explore more deeper. But for anyways, that is all. Thank you for watching and bye!